In front of me is REALME P3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off autocorrection. As someone who's working with smartphones almost every day, I know that finding autocorrection can be tricky. That's why today I will show you exactly where to find it, using only devices settings. So let's begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down right away. When you're ready, tap on System and Update, then Keyboard and Input Method, Manage Keyboards at the top, and finally Gboard. Now click on Corrections and Suggestions over here and use this switcher next to autocorrection to turn it on or switch it off. If you decided to enable it, quick tip, you can click on autocorrection on the left and this way get access to this option called Undo Autocorrect on Backspace. You can switch it on or off using this switcher right next to it. Personally, I always recommend to at least try it because it's making using autocorrection even better. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!